Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all on this grand event. Hope you all are doing great and are happy to be a part of this session. Today, let's share our views on what is the most amusing thing about India. Give it a thought. Okay. Meanwhile, you think about it, I will share my point. It is India's culture that fascinates me the most. India is a unique amalgamation of cultures, religions, and beliefs. Perhaps no other country of the world presents such a fascinating medley of a rich and variegated heritage that is as old as the civilization itself. Our country has a wonderful capacity of assimilating other beliefs as well as deeply influencing other thoughts and traditions. Indian culture is perfectly created out of the values that permeate its soul. India's social customs, religious and spiritual concepts, education, literature all come together to create what we call as its culture. It is also known as mother of cultures. Music, dance, painting, sculpture and other art forms, agriculture, science, and industry all sectors trace their roots back to centuries. The strength of Indian culture has always been in its broad-heartedness, its ability to accept and assimilate other thoughts wholeheartedly. Giving respect and reverence to elders is the cornerstone of Indian culture. Our guest is our God. It is a very common cultural trend of this country. India is a vast nation with a federal structure. There are 29 states and 7 union territories that present a veritable potpourri of different cultures, languages, habits, and religions that make Indian culture stand out in the whole world. Unity in diversity is the strength of Indian culture. In food habits, too, India presents a mind blowing variety: North Indian, South Indian, Mughlai, continental, etc. The different festivals that are celebrated in the country add to the peaceful coexistence of people of different faiths living on the country. Indian culture is an outcome of a continuous synthesis of several external influences in the course of its long and eventful journey. The Indian youths feel proud to be connected to diverse cultural trends and often opt to be a part of showcasing the Indian cultural trend in their schools, colleges, and institutions. The wonder that is India has managed to survive the ravages of time, several external aggression, and centuries of foreign rule. This even strengthens my thought and interest of knowing more about Indian culture. Being the citizens of this mesmerizing country, we all should feel proud to be born in this cradle of civilization. It is a rare experience that India amongst all countries gives us. A perfect blend of diverse customs, beliefs, traditions, and whatnot. Along with being a part of this wonderful culture, we should make sure that we continue to create its awareness amongst the coming generation as well. Our message is the first thing that will create the impact in their life and which will further lead to enrichment of Indian culture. Thank you.